Not gonna lie, sweating here, Aerie fam. There's a little sweat. I feel it dripping down my back and in between my boobs, but that's Aerie real. Erin here, your Aerie stylist, and I am into florals this season, and it's all about the floral extravaganza. So here are the ways I'm styling florals this season. I love this overt super femme pink floral in a triangle silhouette with a little ruffle and in our new cheekiest fit. Who cares if you have a little wedgie? Show off your cute little cheekies. I love topping off your swim look with an easy summer fleece. This summer fleece has a raw cut hem and a little Dorito detail at the neckline. We have an update to our rockin' ruffle skirt with cute little florals. And I like to pair it back with a mix and match. Floral on floral, it's a floral extravaganza. Last but not least, I love the ruffles mixed with this ditzy print and our high cut cheekiest bikini bottom. Pair it with a denim jacket and show your pride with our love is love is love baseball hat. Show me how you're styling, what you're doing, how you're mixing and matching this season with #AerieReal at Aerie, and we will see you next time. Bye, Aerie fam. Now the sweat's really starting. I've got a sweat stash happening. Again, it's Aerie Real.